Welcome. This tutorial will guide you through the process on how to sign up on Bestplug using your smartphone. You can use any browser of your choice during this process. So we are going to use Chrome as our browser. So click on Chrome, then search for www.bestplugGH.com. Search for www.bestplugGH.com. That is our official site where you get access to all our products and services. This is the interface that you see when you search for our website. If yours is not the same, you have to go back and start the video again. So if you're on the same page, let's continue. Click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on the sign up option. Now fill in your details: first name, last name, username, email, number, and your password. The first name and last name should be your real name. The username can be any name of your choice. It can be your nickname or your real name. When entering the username, take note of the spellings, the alphabetical arrangement, the spaces, and the punctuations. The username would be your login credentials, so it's made sensitive. A slightly mix of the capital and small letters of your username would make your details invalid. So to be on the safer side, write it somewhere or screenshot it after entering it. Enter an active email at this session. You will receive all your payments received through your email. You can use those receipts as a proof whenever you get an issue with any of your payments. Enter your phone number. If you be active on WhatsApp and for receiving SMS, we would contact you through this number in case of any emergency. So enter your password. The password is also made sensitive, so take note of the spellings, the alphabetical arrangements, the spaces, and the punctuations when entering it. Repeat your password, then click on the sign up button beneath the confirm password. If you are still following, that means you're already part of the Bestplug family. So if you see this interface, that means you have signed up successfully and you can now log in into your account. Enter your username. Make sure it's the same as the one you screenshotted during the registration or the one you wrote in your diary. Enter your password. Also, make sure it's the same as the one you wrote in your diary. Then click on the login at beneath. You can save your details for easy login. Welcome to Bestplug.